Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the setup failed error that you get while trying to install Microsoft Visual C++. To get started, simply search for appwiz.cpl and click on it. Now from all the programs listed here, find the installations of Microsoft Visual C++, right click over it and click on uninstall. Now repeat this process for all the installation of Microsoft Visual C++ you have on your system. Once done, close everything and restart your computer once. After restart, go to this web page from the link given in the video description. Then click on latest under releases here. Now from all the files you see here, download this zip file. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the file. Now run the extracted file as administrator by right clicking over it. Click on next and simply wait for the installation process to finish. And that's it. This time you won't get any installation error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.